Advising an African travel plan, sharing the best places to visit, things to do, and experiences to have in Africa. Africa is a continent rich in culture, history, and breathtaking landscapes. From the pyramids of Egypt to the wildlife reserves of South Africa, there are countless places to visit and experiences to be had. Whether you are an adventurous traveler seeking thrills or a history buff looking to explore the past, Africa has something for everyone. Here's a comprehensive African travel plan that covers the best places to visit, things to do, and experiences to have. 1. Experience the magic of Egypt. Egypt is a land of ancient ruins, cultural treasures, and breathtaking landscapes. A visit to this country will take you on a journey back in time, where you can explore the mysteries of the pyramids, the Sphinx, and the Nile River. One of the most popular places to visit in Egypt is the Great Pyramid of Giza. This ancient wonder of the world is an awe-inspiring sight to behold, and you can even explore the inside of the pyramid on a guided tour. Another must-see attraction in Egypt is the Karnak Temple Complex. This vast temple complex was built over a period of 2,000 years and is home to some of the most impressive ancient Egyptian architecture. 2. Go on a safari in Kenya. Kenya is renowned for its wildlife and is one of the best places in Africa to go on a safari. The Masai Mara National Reserve is the most popular destination for safari goers and is home to the Big Five animals: lions, leopards, elephants, buffalo, and rhinos. Aside from wildlife watching, you can also experience the unique culture of the Maasai people, who are known for their vibrant clothing and jewelry. You can visit traditional Maasai villages and learn about their way of life. 3. Explore the Serengeti in Tanzania. Tanzania's Serengeti National Park is another must-see destination for wildlife lovers. The park is home to over 2 million wildebeest, zebra, and gazelles who make their annual migration through the park. Aside from wildlife watching, you can also visit the Ngorongoro crater, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that is home to a diverse range of wildlife, including elephants, lions, and flamingos. 4. Relax on the beaches of Zanzibar. If you're looking for a relaxing getaway, the beaches of Zanzibar are the perfect destination. This island off the coast of Tanzania boasts pristine white sand beaches, crystal clear waters, and a laid-back atmosphere. Aside from soaking up the sun and swimming in the ocean, you can also explore the island's historic stone town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its winding alleys and ornate buildings. 5. Climb Mount Kilimanjaro. Mount Kilimanjaro is the highest mountain in Africa and a bucket list destination for many travelers. Climbing the mountain is a challenging but rewarding experience, with stunning views of the surrounding landscape from the summit. Aside from the physical challenge of the climb, you can also experience the unique culture of the local Chaga people, who live in the foothills of the mountain. 6. Visit the gorillas in Rwanda. Rwanda is home to the endangered mountain gorilla, and visiting them in their natural habitat is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. The Virunga Mountains, which straddle the border between Rwanda, Uganda, and the Democratic Republic of Congo, are home to several families of gorillas who can be visited on a guided trek. Aside from gorilla trekking, you can also visit the Genocide Memorial in Kigali, which honors the victims of the 1994 Rwandan genocide. 7. Explore the dunes of Namibia. Namibia is known for its stark, otherworldly landscapes, including the towering sand dunes of Sossusvlei. These rust-red dunes are some of the tallest in the world and make for a stunning backdrop for photographs. Aside from the dunes, you can also explore the Skeleton Coast, a rugged and desolate coastline that is home to shipwrecks and unique wildlife. The Etosha National Park is also a popular destination for wildlife watching, with opportunities to see lions, elephants, and black rhinos. 8. Experience the vibrant culture of Morocco. Morocco is a melting pot of cultures, with influences from Europe, the Middle East, and Africa. A visit to this country will take you on a sensory journey of colorful souks, delicious food, and unique architecture. One of the most popular destinations in Morocco is Marrakesh, where you can explore the bustling markets, known as souks, and visit the Bahia Palace, a beautiful example of Moroccan architecture. You can also take a trip to the Sahara Desert and experience a camel trek or a night in a traditional Bedouin camp. 9. Discover the rich history of Ethiopia. Ethiopia is one of the oldest civilizations in the world, with a rich history that dates back to ancient times. A visit to this country will take you on a journey through time, where you can explore ancient churches, castles, and ruins. One of the most popular destinations in Ethiopia is Lalibela, a town known for its rock-hewn churches, which are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. You can also visit the ancient city of Axum, which was once a powerful kingdom and is home to several historic ruins and artifacts. 10. Relax on the beaches of Seychelles. The Seychelles is an archipelago of 115 islands in the Indian Ocean, known for its pristine beaches, turquoise waters, and luxurious resorts. A visit to this island paradise is the perfect way to relax and unwind. Aside from soaking up the sun and swimming in the ocean, you can also go snorkeling or scuba diving to explore the colorful coral reefs and abundant marine life. 11. Explore the waterfalls of Zambia. Zambia is home to some of the most impressive waterfalls in the world, including Victoria Falls, which is known as the smoke that thunders. This awe-inspiring waterfall is over a kilometer wide and drops over 100 meters into the Zambezi River. Aside from Victoria Falls, you can also visit the Kalambo Falls, the second highest waterfall in Africa, and the Mutarazi Falls, the highest waterfall in Zimbabwe. 12. Go on a road trip in South Africa. South Africa is a vast and diverse country, with stunning landscapes and a rich cultural heritage. One of the best ways to explore this country is by road, where you can take in the breathtaking scenery and visit some of the top attractions. One of the most popular road trips is the Garden Route, which takes you along the southern coast of the country and includes stops at national parks, beaches, and historic towns. You can also visit the Cape Winelands, where you can taste some of the best wines in the world and explore charming towns like Franschhoek and Stellenbosch. In summary, Africa is a continent full of amazing places to visit, things to do, and experiences to have. Whether you are interested in wildlife, history, culture, or just relaxing on the beach, there is something for everyone. From the pyramids of Egypt to the beaches of Seychelles, the waterfalls of Zambia to the deserts of Namibia, Africa is a continent that is sure to leave a lasting impression on any traveler. And now, to end this article, here is a poem about the beauty of Africa. Africa, land of sun, golden plains and endless skies, where the wildlife roams and thrives. Sands of red and mountains high, a continent of wonder, we can't deny. From the pyramids of Egypt's past, to the modern cities that have amassed. From the beaches of Seychelles so fair, to the wildlife in the savannas, rare. The cultures are rich, the history deep, a land where ancient secrets keep. From Morocco's markets to Ethiopia's ruins, a journey through time that will leave us swooning. In South Africa, a road trip we must take. Through the Garden Route and its beauty, we'll bask. And in Namibia, the sand dunes so tall, a sight that will leave us in awe of it all. Africa, a land of diversity and wonder, a place where our hearts will forever ponder the beauty and the majesty that lies within, a continent that will forever win. ***, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?i as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please watch more interesting videos here.